Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will print this pattern. Its name is solid rectangle. In this pattern, 4 rows and 5 columns. First of all, we will print 4 rows. We was learn in the last video how to print hello world using for loop. Same that way, we will print this pattern using for loop. We will write for loop and we will print over 4 rows. After that we will print 5 columns. For this we will write a for loop. Inside this loop it's we will call outer loop and this call in inner loop. Inside this loop we will create an integer, its name j, and j less than equal to 5 and j plus plus increment by 1. Inside we will print a star. Here do not write print ln, only write print. Out is this loop. We will print a next line. Now we will understand how does it works. So see, when we'll execute first time the loop, then will be value of I is equal to 1 and j will print 5 times. After that, second time execute the loop will be value of I is equal to 2, then j will print again 5 times and so on. Will print over solid rectangle. I will explain you clearly by coding. Let's go to editor. Here we will write outer loop for integer I is equal to 1 semicolon and I less than equal to 4 and I plus plus. Here we will write inner loop for we will create integer, its name j equal to 1 and j less than equal to 5 semicolon and j plus plus. We will write a star south. Here we will only print inside, we will write a star and out this loop we will print a next line. So this we will so we wrote this code and run. Here we will it's printed our pattern. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching video.